Buying gold coins. Investing in gold coins is a popular way to preserve wealth and hedge against inflation. However, it requires careful consideration of factors like authenticity, pricing, and storage. Below is a detailed guide to help you make an informed decision. 1. Understand why you are buying gold coins. Before purchasing gold coins, determine your purpose. Are you buying them as an investment, a hedge against inflation, or for collecting purposes? Investment-grade coins differ from collectible or numismatic coins, which can carry higher premiums. 2. Choose the right type of gold coins. Gold coins come in different forms, including bullion coins. These are valued based on their gold content and include popular coins like the American Gold Eagle, Canadian Maple Leaf, and South African Krugerrand. Numismatic coins. These have historical or rarity value and may carry a higher premium. Commemorative coins. Issued for special occasions, these may or may not hold significant investment value. 3. Verify the purity and weight. Gold coins are available in different purity levels, 99.99%. Pure gold, 24K. Examples include the Canadian Maple Leaf and Austrian Philharmonic, 22-karat gold coins. Examples include the American Gold Eagle and South African Krugerrand, which contain a small amount of alloy for durability. Ensure that the weight of the coin matches the advertised value, such as 1 ounce, 1/2 ounce, 1/4 ounce, or 1/10 ounce. 4. Buy from reputable dealers. To avoid counterfeit coins or scams, always buy from authorized dealers, government or certified gold dealers. Banks. Some banks sell gold coins, offering a reliable source. Online precious metals retailers. Trusted platforms like national mints or well-known bullion dealers. Check for accreditation from organizations like the Professional Numismatists Guild, PNG, or the American Numismatic Association, ANA. 5. Compare prices and premiums. Gold coins sell at a premium over the spot price of gold. The premium covers minting, distribution, and dealer profit. Factors affecting premiums include the type and brand of the coin, market demand and supply, the dealer's markup. Compare multiple sources before making a purchase to ensure you get a competitive price. 6. Understand tax implications. Gold coin purchases may be subject to sales tax. Some regions charge sales tax while others do not. Capital gains tax. If you sell your gold at a profit, you may owe capital gains tax. Research your local tax laws to avoid surprises. 7. Ensure proper storage and security. Gold coins require safe storage options such as home safes, fireproof and theft-resistant safes. Bank safe deposit boxes. Secure but may have accessibility limitations. Private vault storage. Professional storage services with insurance coverage. 8. Authenticate and insure your investment. Before buying, verify the coin's authenticity by checking mint marks, serial numbers, and hallmarks. Certification from agencies like the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, or the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS. Consider insuring your gold coins against theft or loss through a specialized insurer. 9th plan for liquidity and selling options. Gold coins are easier to sell than gold bars, but you should still have a plan for liquidation. Common selling options include reputable gold dealers, online precious metal marketplaces, auction houses for rare coins. Selling at the right time can help maximize your returns. Buying gold coins is a solid investment strategy, but it requires careful research and due diligence. By purchasing from reputable sources, securing proper storage, and understanding the market, you can protect your wealth and make informed decisions.